Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing something a little different because I did not feel like standing up in my bathroom, and this literally is the perfect angle for doing a wig review. And I need to, honestly y'all, I'm about to look jank for a little bit because your girl is about to snatch this wig off and put on another to review, but this is looking crazy. This is looking crazy, but it's gonna look even crazier because I'm about to pull this one off. I actually think because I did something real crazy. I put the contour on and sprayed, before blending the contour, I sprayed my wig, and I think it sprayed my contour in place, so it looks even crazier on this camera. But we're not here for my makeup. We're not doing a tutorial right now. We're here for this wig from a Wiggins company. Yes, y'all, I absolutely love them. So I'm about to give y'all a nice little unboxing and put this wig on. The second thing that's wrong, if y'all don't look too close to my nails, and I know y'all gonna try to look real close when I say don't look close, but I definitely need to fill in. Your girl had to retire getting her nails done, unfortunately, because I am having severe reactions. So I'm doing the dip powder, but some of y'all were telling me in my last vlog when I did it that it's real dirty and nasty and all that bacteria and all that. So I'm gonna probably have to order my own powders and just take it to the salons whenever I get my nails done. I think that's just what's gonna have to happen. But in the meantime, between time, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Let's go ahead and unbox this wig. Let's see this beauty. So boom, there she is right in your face. So this is the wig of the hour, and let's take the wig out. Ooh, y'all, this is long. Whoa, this is long. And then I have the Wiggins hairband. I have some lashes from them. Thank you. I have another edge brush. This actually comes in handy. I have the HD wig caps. Perfect. And then, of course, I have my handy dandy silk, handy dandy silk wig bag that I either A, keep the wigs on, and or B, use to ship to the next home. So as we just saw, this wig is real long, y'all. This says, oh, it says it's 24 inches. I don't know why it looks real long. They must gave you an extra few inches. And then here, this came inside the bag right here. And then I'm going to just take this beauty out. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, it looks like I don't have to do, okay. Before I get too excited, let's go ahead and take, oh, y'all, the wig gets stuck in the nails. So it has a nice little net. Oh, y'all, I don't have to do, oh, I got this all heated up, y'all, and I don't even need it. So we're gonna see how quickly this can come. Oh, y'all, the baby hairs are already out like this. I may need to add some contour, some pressed powder into the lace. Now, I don't know if y'all can tell, the lace already is bleached and tinted. Since I already have my makeup on, this is gonna be perfect, so we're gonna see. But I don't know if y'all can tell, it's like literally blending in perfectly. They already got this lace cut, honey. Y'all see that? They got this braid. Now, I've had this style and a few more, like 2 other wigs, but I'm not gonna lie. I like the style of these braids more than any of the other ones that I've had, because this looks real, like this looks like me. Like, it doesn't look like it'll move out. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like it looks like me. But before I talk too much, we're gonna go ahead and put her on. And I think the other wigs were straight here. So okay, y'all, let's take this back. All I did was spray this on my head. Like so, like I said, don't mind my contour, y'all, because I mistakenly sprayed it trying to rush, and we looking all kinds of foolishness. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me tighten the strap before I hook. Y'all know the 2 clips before I hook. Okay, this actually is doing, I don't even really need to. Okay, let me tuck that comb. We had that comb back there. Okay. We'll have to fix these. Okay. baby hairs. Okay, what a edge brush they gave me. Let me get this out, y'all. I don't got my other products. Because really, all I have to do is cut the lace, the excess lace off my ears. And this is pretty. This is pretty, y'all. I like this. This is real nice. This is real nice. I just got some excess because y'all know my head's small. And then let me just take this out. This is, oh, y'all. Let me be right back. Let me get some mousse, my spray, and my powder. And we're gonna see what this week's talking about for real. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And this literally is, y'all, first of all, I literally thought I lost my new powder and I was about to catch a case, but I found it. So anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the quick steps. Okay, I guess before I put the product on, I'm going to just cut off. And this, like, it literally makes it so easy for me to just cut this around my ears. Like, oh shoot, y'all, I'm about to show y'all everything. I don't think y'all saw that, but let me see. Can y'all see? Okay, so that was real easy to cut that. And y'all, you can put your little HD cap on and mold your edges back, but I didn't do that. So anyways, the next thing I'm gonna do is repeat the steps on the opposite side. Be very mindful, y'all. You don't want to cut. You see how they're just hanging by a thread? What just happened? Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, I think some of the part got cut out. That was a part of the braid, but it's good. We still here. We still looking good. So that was that. Next, I'm gonna make sure it's centered for my head. Honestly, if you're comfortable with this, you could literally just spray right here because it is giving real secure at the top. But before I do that, I'm gonna just take my powder. This is my pressed powder. Just got me a new one because I don't know where my old one went, but literally I had hit pan, so I'm not that mad. And I'm gonna just take this powder, put it right here so it blends in and it's not giving that. Y'all see that? Honestly, I don't even need to put no spray on. You can. You definitely can. But now that I've done that, it's literally blended. And I've even seen girls take their natural hair and like pull it out. Let me put some of this on the middle of my head too, y'all. Even though I'm about to literally take all my makeup off. But hold on, y'all, because it's giving kind of bright. It's giving kind of bright. Or maybe sometimes it be looking like that. Wait, is this my real hair? It surely is. Let me tuck that back up there. Okay, so that's honestly, and then I got my mousse. So just take some of this mousse, put it on this brush like this. It's kind of a lot. Let me see. Put it on my hand so it won't be too much. And then we just swoop the doop. Y'all, this was a very easy install. I don't gotta do, honestly, I didn't have to do nothing. You just do that with this. Don't do it too heavy. Or you can brush the baby hairs out if you don't want to have the baby hairs, but I don't see nothing wrong with these baby hairs. They look okay. But y'all do what y'all feel like is comfortable for you. And that's it, honey. That's it. I didn't have to spray it down or nothing once I actually, like, this is definitely a glueless unit. And if you don't want your ears, like, you can push the braid over your ears. Sometimes my ears kind of look a little weird when it's, y'all get what I'm saying? But the wig itself, y'all, this is super pretty. This is super pretty. Let me hold y'all up so y'all can see. This is real pretty. And once you really beat your face, because I didn't have this makeup on all day long, literally for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. It's not too bad, but it's definitely not one of my best beats. But anyways, this wig, I like it. Let me see how long it is. This is 24 inches. Okay, it stops where I thought it would stop at. So if y'all love this wig, all the information about Wiggins Hair Company, all the other wigs they have to offer will be in my description box, as well as the coupon codes and everything else you need to know about them, how to reach them, and how to just purchase their wigs. And if you love this wig, and y'all know what I'm talking about, if you love this wig, then go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know, because this wig tends across the board. Like, I have no complaints. And I definitely can confidently say, out of the other two pre-styled braided, y'all know what I'm talking about? Out of the other two pre-braided styled wigs, this one by far is my favorite pre-styled one. Like, this one, like, I can get down with this one, especially since it has the curl waves. Like, it's just blending effortlessly. I really, really, really like it. So like I said, go ahead and click the link in my description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.